Hello children, I am Nisha here from Mangala Vidya Mandira. So children, in the last video we have learnt a poem. The name of the poem was Bird Talk. Unit 2. What is the name of the poem? Bird Talk. Wherein two birds are there whose name is Jay and Robin. Okay, and the poem is written by Eileen Fisher. So what was the bird talking like? They used to tell how lucky we are and how unlucky are the human beings. That was the discussion what both the birds were doing it. So we have already gone through the keywords as well as the word meaning. So in this video we are going through the exercise. So open page number 12 in your textbook. So what is the first exercise? Reading is fun. Okay, so we have to just explain each and every question, and at the same time I will be explaining the answer. The very first question is, name the two birds in the poem. So children, what was the name of two birds? The name of two birds were Robin and Jay. The second question is, what are the three things that people can't do? So three things what people can't do, children, like the birds can do but people can't do. Like the people can't grow wings and the people can't eat beetles. At the same time, people can't sit on a wire. So these are the three things which people can't do but bird can do it. What is question number 3? What do birds think of people? Now the birds are discussing, they feel they are very lucky people, but the human beings are very unlucky. So the birds feel that the people are funny creatures. So next session, talk time. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about. So can you see two elephant images are there? They might be chatting, like what kind of question and answer they might be chatting with each other. Like they might be discussing something, they might be talking to each other. Like sometimes one elephant will say like man eat very less food. Okay, they don't eat more food, so that's why they look very tiny. Okay, compared to elephant, the man will look very tiny. Maybe the other elephant will say, oh yes, they eat very less food, they are not very tall and very healthy, they are not very big. Okay, at the same time they look little, man is very unlucky. Okay, at the same time they got only 2 legs, but we elephants are so lucky that we got 4 legs. So this kind of discussion, maybe both the elephants will be doing it. Number 2, let's find two things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell the class. So the human beings can do two to three things which birds can't do. So what they can do? The human beings can talk, they can run, they can walk, which birds can't do it. So next session, team time. So children, this is an activity. So you have to do this activity and upload the image in the group. Okay. So what is the activity? Like let's make finger puppets. So it's very simple. First you have to draw a bird on a sheet, and what you have to do? You have to cut that and color it. Okay. After that what you have to do? Just you have to take a strip of cloth or paper, any piece of paper or cloth you have to take, and later on paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. So you have to just stick that picture. After that what you have to do? You have to tie the two ends of the strip, fix it on your fingers. Okay, your finger puppet is ready to talk. So you just have to make a finger puppet with this given points. Let your puppet fly along with your friend's puppet. Okay, so maybe you can make 1 or 2 and just upload the image in the group. Next session, let's write. Listen to the sound of the birds. Make a list of these words. For example, what kind of sounds the bird will make. Okay, so they will make different kinds of sound. Chip, 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 twitter, 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 coo, 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 chi, chi, chi. Like these sounds the birds will make. So you just have to write these sounds in the textbook only. Next main. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. So here are few words given in the box. So what you have to do? You have to make sentences from these words. The very first one is nest. So where do the birds live? The birds live in the nest. Second one is what? Water. Birds drink water when they feel thirsty. Third one, chip. The birds chirp loudly. Fourth one, fly. The birds fly high in the sky. Next one is what? Sky. And again the same sentence you can use. The birds fly high in the sky, or the sky is dark. Next one, wings. Birds have wings to fly. So these all things you have to, these all sentences you have to write in the textbook also. Meanwhile you have to write in the notebook. Next main, write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one is done for you. Now children, this is a rhyming words. So the first one is done for you, like grow, no, throw. The remaining you have to do it. So now what is the second word? Day. What is the rhyming word of day? Day, bay, say, may. Okay, any word you can write. After that, think. So the rhyming word of think can be pink, sink, link. Any word you can write from that. Next word is funny. So funny can be sunny, bunny, okay, runny. So these words you can write. Next one is eat. Okay, so eat can be beat, then seat. Okay, after that sing. Sing, rhyming word of sing can be ring, bring, etc. Okay, so this you have to write it in the textbook as well as in the notebook. I will be sending the PDF for the same. Now there are few words given, children. Say aloud. So you just have to read out. Think, this, pen, thin, that, top, tree, door, tank. Okay. Now we will just have a look in the grammar section, children. Moving to the grammar section, which you have to write it in the classwork. So we have already gone through the parts of speech. We have learnt noun. Okay, even we have done verb. So today in this session we are going to learn about pronoun. Okay, so what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, I, me, he, she, herself, himself, you, it, that, they, etc. So whenever you want to use a name, okay, so instead of that you can use these few words like I, me, he, she, herself, himself, you, it, that, they, etc. you can use. For example, Raju saw Seema. Now Raju is the name of a boy and Seema is the name of a girl. Okay, so instead of Raju you can use he. Okay, instead of Raju you can use he. So instead of Seema, the girl name is Seema, you can use her. So the pronouns are he and her takes the place of Raju and Seema. So even you can say he saw her. Instead of Raju saw Seema, you can say he saw Seema. Related to that, few examples I have given to you, children, which you have to do it in the classwork. Pronoun. The very first one. Okay, what you have to do? You have to circle the pronoun in each sentence. Try to do it by yourself. I will just read out the sentence. I have piano practice at 5 o'clock. Next one. Please ask them. Then, are they home? After that, she ate a sandwich. Next, my grandpa loves cheese. Next, place everything in the basket. After that, this is their apartment. Next, please give it to me. After that, did anyone see my mittens? After that, he walked home. So this is part 1, which you have to circle the pronoun, children. Do it by yourself. Next one, part 2. I think that we are ready for the game. We are going to see a play on the weekend. Next one, he is very dependable person. Next, it is one of the best movies I have seen. Tell her that she must arrive to the gate on time. Next, I am excited about going back to school. Next one, you are a very helpful person. After that, they are going to show us around the city. Next, make sure she brings all the food to the party. Next, I believe that we are making good choices. Next, we are very excited about the championship game. So, these are the few sentences where you have to circle the pronoun. Okay, try to do it by yourself. In case if you are facing any difficulty, you can post it in the group. So, this is a homework for you, as well as what you have to do. One activity I have given through this video to make a finger puppet. That also you have to upload the image in the group. Till then, thank you children.